Pop, push, play. This has been going around for a while on Instagram and on YouTube shorts as well. I have been seeing a lot of celebrities promoting this lipstick right here. This is from Rene Cosmetics and this is what the packaging looks like. There are 5 lipsticks in this container and it is known as a Rene Cosmetics Fab 5-in-1 lipstick and it contains 7.5 grams of product. So this one is priced at 750 rupees. This is what the outer packaging looks like. At the back you have been given all the details about the product. As you open it, you can see that it has 5 different colors. I believe that each lipstick has 1.3 gram of product. This is the cap. Now the cap of this lipstick is quite irritating and it is not sturdy. Secondly, the pop, push and play method of this, when you push the product, you push the lipstick to take out the first lipstick that you have on top and press it at the bottom. This can be a little tricky because sometimes the product gets collected by mistake, like it happens every now and then. You can see again on my fingertip, it gets collected at the back. This is marketed like that, that you can carry 5 lipsticks with yourself. You don't have to carry 5 different shades of bullet lipsticks or liquid lipsticks with you if you have one lipstick that carries 5 different shades with it. So the whole point of marketing this lipstick as a travel friendly product fails here in my opinion, because the moment I am pushing it at the back, the product is getting collected on the lipstick that is already there at the bottom. So I don't like that part of this lipstick. The formula of this lipstick, as claimed by Rene Cosmetics, is a soft formula. Yes, it is definitely a very smooth, non-drying kind of texture. It looks matte, like a soft matte lipstick, but it doesn't feel matte on lips. Say that it's a creamy texture that glides on easily. Yes, it's a creamy texture, it glides on easily and ensures comfortable wear. Yes, all of these 3 claims are true. Multi-purpose product, yes. Travel friendly, no. In my opinion, it is not travel friendly and I'm going to talk about that. Great for day to night looks. Yes, you can create a day look with these lipsticks and also some nighttime looks if you want to switch your lip shade. It is also cruelty free and vegan. Let me tell you why I don't think that this is a travel friendly tube, because the moment I keep it like this on my bag, this cap opens up. It opens up literally, and the lipstick stains are all over my bag. So I don't think it's a travel friendly container. It's not meant for people who like to carry their lip shade in their bag. Now the application of this lipstick is irritating. First of all, you have to be very precise. You can't commit mistakes with this lipstick at all because it will smudge and move. When you'll apply this lipstick, a little bit of stain or lip product will get stuck over here on this plastic. Technically, if we divide the price, we are paying 150 rupees for each lip shade. Formula of this lipstick is great. I am very impressed with the formula. It's so comfortable, non-drying, although I always prep my lips, but even then it's very comfortable and it looks semi matte. Like it looks a matte lipstick but not a powder matte finish. It does transfer, it's not transfer proof even if you have some light snacks. So definitely this is not going to survive any meals at all. I've tried it with snacks, with full-fledged meals. This is just for people who are comfortable with reapplying their makeup. First shade is this pink color. It's just the right pink shade for my complexion. I always struggle with finding a pink which is bright but not neon-y. This is definitely that. I really like this pink shade. Next shade is a berry shade. This is what it looks like. It's on the warmer side. You do need a concealer with this. I have this one. Let me just swatch. This is more on the maroonish side, but it's more warm in undertone. I can see a little bit of brown as well in it, but primarily this stands out as a maroon lipstick. All the lip shades are pigmented. I wouldn't say that one is less pigmented than the other. Then we have this neutral tone brown plus orange color. It's more on the orangey side. Like it looks orange, but it does have a little bit of brown in it, and this is going to suit a lot of skin tones. That's the best part. Next is a red lipstick that I am so impressed with. This is the red lipstick that they have in this 5-in-1 lipstick product. Pink can be a little tricky for deeper skin tones. I am not sure about the first one, but for the rest of the colors, I am very sure that these will suit all the Indian complexiones. Spanish में sorry भाई और पढ़ो. The darker shades in here, the berry one and the maroonish one, they leave a tint on your lips, but that tint also fades away after 3-4 hours. So just giving you heads up. See, again this thing keeps happening with this lipstick. Every time I have this lipstick in my hand, I am stained. My hands are stained. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this review video. If you did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, bell button, subscribe button I've said, like button, subscribe button, bell button, all the buttons that you see, because it really helps me grow on this platform, and I'm nothing without you guys, so I do need your support in order to sustain on this platform. So I'll see you guys very soon with the new video. Next one is very interesting, muy interesante.